At 12:15, we received a call of an aircraft crash. Our first units were on scene at 12:21, and as you can see behind me, we had multiple structures that were fully involved with fire. A portion of the aircraft confirmed crash in the back of one of the homes. We also had multiple vehicles on fire, including a large box truck that is right across the street. As far as any of the cause of the aircraft crashing, that's still to be determined. We're waiting for officials to arrive to assist with the investigation. Our primary concern when we got on scene was obviously the extinguishment of the fire and treatment of any victims. So we did have 2 victims that were transported to local hospitals. We extinguished the fire with the help of multiple crews.
I just heard it getting louder, and like I said, I've lived in this area a long time. You get kind of where you don't pay attention to stuff unless it's out of the norm, and it started getting so loud that I knew that that was not right, and before I could even react to it, it hit.
It's mind-boggling. You don't even, it's a war zone. It's not even a house. You know, to lose your home and your beloved pet at the same time is just too much, you know.